I would say, well, since I know industrial products finder from there to Future Factory, that is really the time. I would say this, what is the real time is required, especially for India, because Future Factory deals with smart manufacturing. And smart manufacturing is the right time India has to really focus on that. And I would say smart manufacturing goes into digitization and robots and also related areas. Robots is one of the critical areas. Then AI is playing a major role. So that's, I would say this is the correct time to get into that. And this is where India focus on smart manufacturing. I would say most of the industry bodies are also focusing on smart manufacturing. So association with the industry bodies certainly will help smart SME or quite a good on this side. What is the potential in India which can get out of these exhibitions? Because today the general feeling of the industry or others visiting is Indian skills are not come up to the expectations of what industry needs. Skill gap exists, and it's a fact, there is a skill gap exists. But going forward, when smart manufacturing comes, how Indian skills will take shape there. And that is where these exhibitions will play a major role. It is not only a major exhibition studying, also by, I would say, collaborations, co-working together, co-studying together will certainly help quite a lot into the skill and the smart manufacturing. Focus is on smart manufacturing everywhere. Because without smart manufacturing, you can't be competitive globally. It is not possible. Plus, you can't get into sustainable product. So without sustainability, you can't. Any product needs to be sustainable. So for that, you need to have, when I say sustainability, it's not only from environment, but profitability wise. You can be competitive only when you have into smart manufacturing.